I don't know if you can hear or not. I'm not sure if these videos record audio. But this thing, the Wi-Fi adapter is dying. So it's connected, but there's no internet. I don't know if I can pop that up here real quick. Perfect. Let's put in puppies. Alright. So watch it work this time. Yeah, okay. But it's super slow, and I think if you go to an actual website, it tries to die. Yeah. And this is the same internet. This is connected to the same router. So, yeah, look at that. So let's go back. And we plug this puppy in right here. And we'll give it a second. We'll get our network. Maybe. It's usually pretty immediate. This little netbook is not fast. There we go. Yeah. So now if we click the same link, there you go. So it does its job. It's not, fiber optic or anything amazing, but it gets you internet when your internet's broken, because this thing does not have any kind of network adapter aside from Wi-Fi.